I did this.
Yep. See how long it lasts.
You should take a picture of what I did.
I gotta use my phone first.
Good morning.
Good morning.
23 steps. Ooh, I gotta scan the receipt.
Coffee. Thank you.
You have a good day?
You too.
You want something for your coffee?
No, you're fine. Just
No, you can use my cup holder. I don't want you to drive one-handed.
I drive one-handed all the time.
I don't like it. Put it down.
No.
Baby!
Because if I put it down, it splashes.
Oh, there's a lid.
I understand that, but it still
So it
doesn't
can't-
stop it from
It can't
splashing.
splash.
Yes, it can. And it will.
They didn't give us napkins. They better have. I'm gonna... They gave us one napkin.
It's more than one napkin.
Okay, it's more than one napkin. They gave us two. They gave us half one. It's me. I took my thing to rig your... Is it still working?
So far.
It's because I'm brilliant.
Until we hit a bump.
No, we already hit a bump and we were fine. I said, because I'm Filipino, I can figure this shit out. Filipinos are the original jerry riggers. I feel like they messed up because they made MacGyver white. He should have been Filipino.
That's funny.
We're hitting bumps and it's fine. He's so smart.
You're so full of yourself is what it is. They did put my Chipotle sauce in there, right?
Yes.
Okay.
It's nice and tight.
That's what she said.
No, that's what he said.
Are you really going to record this thing the entire time?
Well, you said that it was gonna fall and I'm waiting.
I'm knocking on the floor.
Shut up! You just don't like that I'm right.
I know, I love it when you're right.
I can't help that I'm brilliant.
And not humble at all.
No. Oh, this is cute what I did over here. You drive so fast.
What are you talking about? I'm not even doing 30.
I feel like it's going really fast.
It's because you're an old lady.
Shut up.
Remind me to grab my sunglasses out of the car.
Yeah.
Can't see shit. Driving blind.
Bumps and bumps, and it's still fine. All right, we're here. We made it.